Since we're making the Ultimate Edge Sander, we thought that we'd do a quick video to show you why it's the Ultimate Edge Sander with the Ultimate Edge Sanding video. For this one, we're gonna need to go out into the shop to do a quick demo. Come with me. So the first thing you're gonna need to grab your belt sander, right?
Oh no!
No, nobody sands edges with a belt sander. We're gonna use palm sanders. We're gonna simulate by hand what our edge sander does. So this would be the process if you were to do it by hand. You wanna use a trimmer and break the corners. We'll just do one edge so we don't punish you sitting through the whole thing. But, you know, a lot of guys want to break the corner with sandpaper, but that's really not ideal. Then you would get your palm sander out, and you would start to sand. Now, the Ultimate Edge Sander uses 3 grits, so now you would have to change the sandpaper. Get your second grit on there. Sandpaper, third grit on there. So this is, I mean, as a woodworker, you know this is textbook 3 grit sanding progression. So now that edge is perfect, and then you've got to break the corner, and now you're left with breaking the corner by hand, or sanding that broken corner, sorry, by hand. And that is a beautiful edge done by hand. Now, let's compare that amount of effort to the Ultimate Edge Sander. And done. We all know that belts and flap wheels are not going to give you the same finish as a good old-fashioned palm sander. That's why these machines were designed with 5 palm sanders on the inside to give you that perfect 3 grit progression and the most amazing finish you've ever seen. Okay, we just got asked, well, what about on primer edges? We thought, why not? We went and grabbed the primer edge and run that through. We're going to show you option that helps us do this. So if we come over to the HMI, we can see trimmers on and off. We can turn these trimmers on and off with the push of a button so that we don't damage the corner or fine wood. So as you can see, with the push of a button, we move that whole trimming head right out of the way. We pull it right back, just in case you've got one side or the other of the panel you don't want to trim. So here goes that prime door through the sanders. 1, 2, 3. And of course we left the corner breakers off so it wouldn't sand through the primer. But as you can see, there are no sand throughs.